Hello guys, welcome to yet another video unboxing with Tanmay Mehta, and this time we are going to check out this particular speaker, which is JBL Partybox 200. Now after receiving a tremendous response for the Partybox 1000 speaker, we have been getting too many requests to do a video with reviews with the unboxing of this particular device. So we thought that why not do it with a smaller Partybox speaker, that is Partybox 200. Now this particular speaker has actually two variants at the same size. One is Partybox 200 and the second one is 300. 300 comes with battery powered, is basically a battery powered speaker, and Partybox 200 is a power plug based speaker. So you need to give this particular speaker a constant power. They have given two options, one which is a normal AC supply, and then there is another port which is for DC supply. So even if you want to carry this outdoors and use your power bank to charge this particular speaker, you can do that with the help of a DC power supply. Now you can place the speaker in three orientation, horizontal like this, the way we have placed it right now. We can also mount it in the vertical orientation, and then as you can see there are rubber pads on top as well. So these are the these are the three orientation in which you can mount this speaker. The good part is it has got a handle behind, so this is how the handle is to hold the speaker. Then they have got a small section over here which is to keep the iPad when you keep it in the straight position. Then these are the buttons: power, Bluetooth, this for the lights, then this is the bass boost, and this is for low and high volume, and this is the play pause button. So wonderful compact speaker, and ideally very nice product to have in this particular lockdown phase, because when you have all the restaurant lounges shut, but if you want to still celebrate your special occasions and parties at home, believe me, there is no other speaker that can deliver the same output than this speaker. So priced at around 33,000 MRP Indian rupees, currently on Amazon at around 28,000. So a very nice lucrative speaker, one of the must-have product for your parties, indoor, outdoors, that you can carry in your car or on your bike. Let us get to test the sound from this, but before that let us check the audio specifications of this. So they say this speaker is around 120 watts, right? So this 120 watt speaker with two 6.5 inches driver. So this is basically for all the mid and the low frequencies. Then there are three tweeters, 1, 2, and then there is a third one over here. So these three tweeters are around 2.5 inches each. So these are three tweeters. Then they have got various color options, so you can change the colors over here. They have got 4 flashlight. So if at all you really want to turn off the lights and create a party scenario with some discotheque lights, this is a speaker which can do all in one job as well. So for all those of you who don't want to spend too much on the Partybox 1000 because of its size, because of its space that it will carry, this is a very wonderful product to do that particular job. So let's try to play some tracks. This has got many inputs. So these are the input options. You can see there is mic input, there is guitar input. You can also use the volume control knobs, individually control each of this. So wonderful product again to use karaoke or to enjoy karaoke systems at home. You can also take the audio out from this particular speaker to any other device that you have using these two RCA cables. There is another input slot. This is basically, let's say if you are using it in a restaurant or in your existing home cinema setup and you want to take out that particular audio and give it to the speakers, you can connect two RCA cables to this input jack. There is also an aux input, so you can also connect any aux cable from your phone and play songs on this. Another beautiful product feature of this particular product is you can use it in a stereo channel. So you have got left and right, so you can press the button and you can select which is left, which is right. So you need two of this Partybox. Then there is a USB adapter. So this is basically to play songs as well as to charge your devices. So let's say if you are out in the party and if you want to also charge your phone while the speaker is playing, you can use your USB cord and make your charge your phone. So a wonderful device, very compact, very sturdy. Let's try to listen it. So currently what we are playing is we are playing tracks from USB. One of the drawback of USB is that there is no display. So you can't really do much things with the USB as to select a folder, select a particular track. You can press the play button twice so that you can play the next song. So I'm playing the next button twice. This is the next song.